actually in the tree, so I won. Fluffy Man beat the tree. I'm not sure I can get down, so you'll have to feed me from up here.
That's what I'm gonna do first. Oh yeah, she's cut like butter.
Hey Brad, isn't that a... Hold it, hold it.
So, got a bit of a problem with this tree so close to the house. And it's sort of leaning this way.
Excellent. Walk through the jungle in the dark.
Ooh, afraid the trees are gonna get us?
No. What is knocking down the trees will get us.
And you see that the woodpeckers have got a hold of it over the years pretty thoroughly. See the rings around the circumference of it. So it's pretty chewed up over the years. So we kind of marked it. That one needs to be taken care of. This limb here is also leaning a bit towards the house, so we got a strap here, sort of like to keep it from going too much with the wind. Yeah, so we're gonna have to get that taken care of eventually. Here's a better, wider shot, and seeing how that tree just wants to lean so badly right over the house. Yeah, it's gonna be humdinger to get that taken care of. We're gonna have to probably get some professionals in here to take care of that, because sure as shooting as I try to do that, and it's gonna be bad. So we don't want to do that. But I want to do sort of like that limb right there, the other one I was talking about. I want to do kind of a before and after. See how bad it looks right now, how worrisome it looks. Like this whole backyard is a mess. But we're going to get it taken care of, and we'll have it looking spiffy, if there's a word I could use. Alright. So, got the guys scheduled to come over and take care of that tree for me. And they're supposed to let me know, hey, we're coming. But of course, they show up yesterday. And look at the oil stain. They show up yesterday while I'm not here in all their glory. And took care of those trees. So I wasn't here. Unfortunately, I wasn't here to supervise or get in their way or to just get some footage of the tree getting taken down. But they took it down, and they did a good job. They sort of it had been raining a couple of days beforehand, and it tore up the yard a bit, but I'm mostly pleased with how it turned out. I need to clean the side of this house. But look at how much space. Now, just stepped in a hole. Yep, tree's gone. That limb is gone. Look how much daylight now there is between the woods and the house. Definitely happy with that. You could drive a car through here now. There's the stump where the tree used to be. That was a big old tree, if you remember in the pictures. Took that limb off there that was hanging over the house. I wish they would have took this whole tree, but that wasn't what was in the contract. Could have got that done, I guess, but I'm happy with what happened. Not really happy with how they tore up the yard a bit, but you know, that'll fix itself eventually. I'm not worried about these bushes. They did leave a bit of a mess here and there. I'm gonna clean out these bushes anyway. And but yeah, here's what it looks like. Sort of an after. Looks really good there. Definitely pleased with that. So, not being here and getting to see the action sort of make me a little jealous. And this kind of job was beyond my powers, or I definitely could have done it, but it wouldn't have done it as more efficiently, and it sure wouldn't have gone well enough for me to be satisfied with it. It probably would have been a worse mess. And but there is a tree, a nice beautiful cedar tree that deserves my attention. So trees, trees, trees. I will get to do some tree trimming after all. Let me take you on that journey too. I have this big old cedar tree in my front yard. Need some TLC. I did some trimming on it last year, but I didn't do it at the right time because of my ignorance and laziness just to get it done. So what I need to do is come around and trim off everything about yay high so that we can get up under it and it looks better. We'll see. We could probably, I like to get some of these thicker branches and save them and make some walking canes out of them, some cedar walking canes. We'll see what we can do with that. Come on. All right, so I got this little dinky ProLand electric chainsaw. You know, I'm a good old boy, but I don't have a good old boy tools, all of them anyway. Look at that sucker. I did not put some chain oil in that last year when I put it up for the winter because I wanted to keep it dry. That's my excuse anyway. Got some bar and chain oil to keep that good old lubrication flowing. Oop, too much. So we gotta cut us a spot in there so we can get moving around a little. Well, blood, sweat, tears, and a few big boy whimperings. Thank goodness I didn't get my eye poked out. My wife would have killed me. But it is done. It is clean. And I need a bath. I'm gonna have us a concrete bench here under the cedar tree. Yeah, so that's one thing off the honey to-do list. Check. Hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, guys, because your support really does help. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, guys, by May 31st. So if you don't help me out, if you don't help this big old fluffy talking machine out, I might have to do more work like this to impress you. So anyway, yeah, I don't know, I didn't impress myself too much, but it's done anyway. Y'all have a good day. God bless y'all. Take a break, get a bath.